Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable subtitles on the SpongeBob SquarePants Titans of the Tide game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the SpongeBob SquarePants game on your device, and after you are taken into the home page, click on Settings. Then within the Settings option, go ahead and click on Language, and now underneath Language, you will see the subtitle settings. You can choose to either set the subtitle on or turn it off by using the arrows at the left or right. If you set it to on, then you can also choose the size of your subtitles. You may choose from 3 different sizes, so choose one that you wish. And then after you are done, you can click on Apply Change. After this, you can go back and the subtitles will have been enabled. You can come back to this menu at any point of time in order to disable it in the future if you wish. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable or disable subtitles on the SpongeBob SquarePants Titans of the Tide game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.